Exercise 3.20, page number 155, 11th question. If the root of the equation q square x square plus p square x plus r square is equal to 0, or the square of the roots of the equation 2x square plus px plus r is equal to 0, then p, q, r are in dash. First option AP, that is arithmetic progression. Second option GP, geometric progression. Third one is both arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Fourth one is none of this. So solution, roots of q square x square plus p square x plus r square is equal to 0, or square of the roots of qx square plus px plus r is equal to 0. This is given in the question. So you have to find the sum of roots and product of roots. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus b by a. So this is the b value, this is a value. So minus p square by q square. Similarly, you have to find the product of roots. Alpha square beta square is equal to c by a. So r square by q square. Similarly, you have to find the sum of roots and product of roots of this equation. So minus p by q is nothing but alpha plus beta, and alpha beta is r by q. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to minus p square by q square. So now you substitute the value of alpha plus beta is minus p by q. So p square by q square minus 2 into alpha beta value is r by q is equal to minus p square by q square. Now you have to take p square by q square to right hand side. So minus 2r by q is equal to minus p square by q square minus p square by q square. Minus 2r by q is equal to minus 2p square by q square. So 2 gets cancelled, minus minus gets cancelled, 1q gets cancelled. So remaining you have 2r is equal to 2p square by q. So p square is equal to qr. Therefore q, p, r are in geometric progression. So therefore the correct option is option 2. The given equation is in GP. Question number 12. Graph of linear polynomial is a straight line, circle, parabola, hyperbola. Linear means straight. So graph of a linear polynomial is always a straight line. Question number 13. The number of points of intersection of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4 with the x-axis is option 1 0, option 2 1, option 3 0 or 1, option 4 is 2. So you have to find the number of points of intersection. You just take this equation. This is nothing but x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore the polynomial will meet x-axis at 2 minus 2 comma 0. So number of point of intersection is 1. The correct option is option 2. Question number 14. For the given matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. The order of the matrix A transpose is. First you have to find the order of matrix A. The number of rows is 1, 2, 3 and number of columns is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order of matrix is number of rows into number of columns, that is 3 cross 4. If you take the order of matrix of A transpose, the number of rows will be converted into number of columns and number of columns will become your number of rows. So the correct option is 4 cross 3. Question number 15. If A is a 2 cross 3 matrix and B is a 3 cross 4 matrix, how many columns does AB have? First one 3, second option 4, third option is 2 and fourth option is 5. AB is of order 2 cross 4. Number of columns of A cross B is 4. So the correct option is option 2. Question number 16. If number of columns and rows are not equal in a matrix, then it is said to be a first one diagonal matrix, second one rectangular matrix, third one square matrix and fourth one identity matrix. So the correct option is number of rows is not equal to number of columns is the matrix is said to be a rectangular matrix. Option 2. Question number 17. Transpose of a column matrix is first one unit matrix, second one diagonal matrix, third one column matrix and fourth one is row matrix. Solution: if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then A transpose is equal to 1, 2, 3. So column matrix will become a row matrix. So the correct option is option 4. Question number 18. Find the matrix X if 2x plus 1, 3, 5, 7 is equal to 5, 7, 9, 5. So the option 1 is minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1. Option 2 is 2, 2, 2, minus 1. Option 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. Option 4 is 2, 1, 2, 2. So solution: this is a given 2x plus the matrix 1, 3, 5, 7 is equal to 5, 7, 9, 5. So 2x is equal to, you have to take this matrix to the side, means it will become minus. So you have to subtract the corresponding element. 5 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 9 minus 5, 7 minus 5, it gives 4, 4, 4 minus 2. Then x is equal to 1 by 2 of the given matrix. So you have to divide the each element of the given matrix by 2. So 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 minus 2 by 2. It gives x is equal to 2, 2, 2 minus 1. So the correct option is option 2. Question number 19 is your homework problem. Which of the following can be calculated from the given matrix? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First subdivision A square, second subdivision B square, third subdivision AB, and fourth subdivision is BA. So the option is 1 and 2 only. Option B is 2 and 3 only. Option C is 2 and 4 only. Option D is all of this. So you have to calculate, that is you have to do matrix multiplication of A square, B square, AB and BA, and you have to check which one you can be calculated. The correct option is option C, second and fourth only. You have to do the verification. Question number 20. This is also a homework problem. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, comma B is equal to 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 2, and C is equal to 0, 1, minus 2, 5. Which of the following statement are correct? First subdivision, AB plus C is equal to 5, 5, 5, 5. Second subdivision, BC is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, 10. Third subdivision, BA plus C is equal to 2, 5, 3, 0. Fourth subdivision, AB into C is equal to minus 8, 20, minus 8, 13. So the options are option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 3 and 4 only. Option D is all of this. So you have to find first AB plus C. You have to check whether you got the matrix or not. Similarly, you have to check all the 4 subdivisions. The correct option is option A, 1 and 2 only. So this is your homework problem. Up to the question 20, exercise 3.20 over. Thank you, students.